guys, this is Kirsten at Colonial Gardens, and today we are in the greenhouse and we're going to talk about one of the most drama-making plants in the plant world, and that would be the Monstera deliciosa. Now you might look at this and go, well, what's so monstrous about that? And it's also called the Swiss cheese plant, so where are the little holes in the leaves? Well, this is just a little baby guy, but prepared for it to look like something like this as it gets bigger. As this plant gets bigger, it's going to start splitting its leaves and getting holes like Swiss cheese. The leaves can get really large, up to 2 foot big, so be prepared to have a lot of room in your home. If you buy a baby one, don't be surprised if it doesn't start splitting. It'll show it splits when it gets big. Now, you want to make sure in your house that you have a lot of room for this plant. You can either train it to grow vertical, or you can let it go horizontally and get wide. This plant actually is an epiphyte in the jungle, and it has these aerial roots, these funny looking roots, and they're trying to find something to climb up. So if you want it to go vertical in your home, be sure to stick a cedar pole in it or a moss pole so that these roots can find their way to the pole and start climbing up. You can see that it wants to start climbing. It is actually a vine. So how easy or hard is it to take care of these great plants? It's actually a very easy plant to take care of. It loves just normal household conditions. It likes bright, indirect light. It'll maybe take a couple hours of sun, but not a whole lot of direct sun, otherwise it'll burn the leaves. It also likes to stay on the drier side. You want it to dry at least a third to a halfway down the pot before you give it a good thorough soaking, and make sure the pot has good drainage holes in it. And remember, this is another plant with the big leaves, just like the fiddle-leaf fig, so you want to keep them wiped off to keep the dust off of them pretty frequently. Fertilize them about once a month and you're good to go. And if this is not enough drama for you, well, you can also go with the variegated version. So that's it for now. Stay tuned next time.